Summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Go inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground.
Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I'm so excited for today's video. I'm going to be playing with the new Blush Tribe and Paulina palette. I'm so proud of Paulina. This collab is awesome. I'm so excited for her. If you don't know who Paulina is and you're living under a rock, she is such a funny, wonderful human. I've been watching her videos for a few months now when I discovered her, and I think she's so funny. She does a lot of different kinds of videos. She does a lot of really cool makeup tutorials. She does a lot of reviews. She does a lot of videos chatting about new releases, all sorts of stuff. I will have her channel linked down below. Paulina, congratulations in case you see this video. I'm so proud of you. I'm so happy for you. I've been wanting to try Blush Tribe as a brand for quite a while now. And then when she came out with her collab with Blush Tribe, this was just the perfect excuse to finally buy from them so I could also support her. This is what the inside looks like. It's so pretty. It is so Paulina. I love it. I love this. I just love this whole color story. I don't have any palettes like this, which is what I'm looking for in a palette nowadays. I don't need another of the same palette. This is so unique. I love how bright it is. I can't wait to play with it. When I also made my order, I also picked up this loose shimmering dust stuff. I don't remember what it's called, but it's in the shade Snow. I will probably incorporate this in my look somehow because I want to use it. It looks really pretty. I'm super excited. I don't think this palette's available anymore. It was limited edition, and I apologize if you guys want to buy it because I don't think it's available anymore. But I still wanted to play with it because I'm just really excited. I think these colors are really fun. I don't know what look I'm gonna do. We're just gonna hang out and play together. I'm dying to do a two-toned eye with this palette, and I think I'm gonna take inspiration from one of my tutorials. I'm going to do kind of a two-toned cut crease like I did in one of those Christmas looks. I already have my eyes primed with my Smashbox lid primer. It's my favorite, and I don't set it. It just stays tacky because I prefer it that way. On one of my eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Siggy. I don't know how to say that word properly. That's her little dog. Cutest little thing ever. And I'm just taking this on a small blending brush from e.l.f. and I'm just gonna kind of tuck this in the crease. And I'm just gonna go all the way from inner to outer corner. This is so pigmented. Wow, and it's so buttery. It just glides right on. Wow. That's so nice. I'm also gonna wing it out just slightly. Thank you. Can you come over here? Next, I'm going to take the shade Humble right here. It's a lighter green, and I'm taking that on a fluffy Wet n Wild brush. And I'm going to use this to begin to buff this darker green out even more, just so it's nice and diffused. These greens are unreal. I love green eyeshadow. You guys know that. I've always loved green eyeshadow, and these are absolutely superb.
Summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Go inside like winter leaves that slowly leave the ground.
I'm just gonna go back in with that darker green and the lighter green and begin to smoke these out underneath my lower lash line because I know I'm gonna want them there anyway. And I also think I'm only gonna do a half cut crease with this look instead of a full cut crease like in my Christmas look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and connect this outer corner. And then just going back through with that lighter green Humble. Now I'm gonna go ahead and pop some Colourpop concealer on my lid and look up so I know where to cut the crease. And I'm just gonna take this flat Alamar brush with some more concealer to carve out my half cut crease. I just go right above my natural crease, but putting the concealer down and looking up kind of shows me where I need to take it to. Now I'm going to dip into Thingaling. I'm so excited to dip into this color. And I'm just taking this on a flat Wet n Wild shadow brush. And this I'm just going to place everywhere that I cut the crease. That's so cute. Oh my goodness. This is very pigmented and it's working really well. I'm just going in very slowly and dipping in only a little at a time just so I can get it as intense as possible. It's so sparkly, it's so pretty. And I don't think I have any shades like this one in my collection now that I think about it. I'm just gonna take the brush that I was using with the darker green, and I'm just gonna begin to start diffusing right where this meets. And it's gonna blend fairly easy because it is a shimmer and a matte, so it's just gonna kind of glide into it fairly nicely. If it was a matte, you'd have a little bit more trouble just because they would want to muddy up a little bit just because of contrasting colors, but it's not like bad or anything. It works pretty well. Oh, I love this. Now I want to go ahead and take Friends right here, and I'm going to take that just on a random pencil brush from who knows where because the name's rubbed off, and I'm gonna pop this in my inner corner. So I think that'll be really cute. I really love neons in the inner corner. Ooh, this is so good. That's so cute. I would totally wear this whole look just the way it is right now, but I want to be extra and I want to do the opposite on the other eye. So I'm going to start by taking Paulina, which is this darker pink color, and I'm taking that on an identical little blending brush from e.l.f. because I have two of the same brush. I have a lot of duplicates of the same brush. And we're going to do the same thing, just tucking it in the crease all the way from inner to outer corner.
Summer days burn me out, love just brings me down. Go inside like when she leaves.
Went ahead and smoked it out under my lower lash line too, just because I know I'm going to need to. So now I'm just taking Angel, which is the matte light pink in the palette, and I'm just going to use another identical Wet n Wild brush to buff that out in my crease and underneath the lower lash line.
It's just me and you.
I'm just going to take a pencil brush and dip into Paulina just to make this pink as dark as possible, just because I keep fluffing it away and making it light, and I want it to be nice and dark, like how the green side is. These pinks are so cute. I love them. So now I'm going to do the same thing that I did on the other eye and do my little half cut crease as I do. And I'm just taking that same flat Olimar brush to carve it out. Now I'm going to take Soleil right here. I hope I'm saying that correctly. And again, I have another identical flat eyeshadow brush from Wet n Wild. And this color is going to go everywhere where we cut the crease on this eye. Oh, the shade is so pretty, holy cow. And I really like that these shimmers are kind of muted, cool tone versions of like pinks and greens. Like this is more of just like a cool tone minty kind of color. And the other one's like a really pale pinky lavender color. It's so cute. And I feel like the contrast is just really pretty on both of these eyes. And I'm going to do the same thing I did before. I'm just taking my brush that I had the darker pink with, and I'm just going to start smudging these together. And I'm just going to take that neon-y green again and pop it in this inner corner as well. Oh, it's so cute. All right, so now that that is done, I do want to play with this snowy dust stuff. I don't really get what it is. It's just like flakes of sparkle. And I'm gonna pop that kind of in my inner corner as well, just kind of sporadically, I think. I'm taking my NYX glitter primer to start with, and I'm just gonna kind of sporadically put that here. It might totally cover up this lime green inner corner, but that's fine. I want to play, you know? This stuff is so cool. I don't really get it. It's so pretty. And it like looks chunky, but it also doesn't look chunky at all. It's the weirdest thing. I've never used anything like this. This is so cute. I really like that. Wow. Neat. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye and pop on some lashes and something on my lips, and we'll finish this up. So this is the final look. I really hope you like it. I love how it came out. My lashes are the Lashes Out lashes from Bold Face Makeup. They are my current favorite ever because they're just so big and fluttery and piecey and cute. On my lips, I just kind of took the Pixi Matte Last Liquid Lip in Prettiest Pink and I just put a little on and pat it out so it could just be nice and soft and diffused. And I mean, this is the full look. I really like it. I think it's really cute. I think even though both of these two-toned eyes are drastically different, I think it still flows really nicely in my opinion. And I feel like my hair really ties in with this shade. This shade is so unique because it can kind of lean green or blue, I feel like, depending on what you have around it. The shades that I did not use were Aubergine and Salma because I used every color except the purples today. And I mean, I'm really happy with them, guys. I'm actually really sad that it's not available anymore because I feel like a lot of you would really enjoy this and get a lot of use out of it. But I don't know. I'm really happy with it. I hope if you didn't get it and the colors in this palette are really appealing to you, that this video at least gives you some inspiration on playing with colors in your collection that might be similar. Paulina, you nailed it, girl. You did such a good job with this palette. I'm so happy I bought it. I'm so happy to support you, and just congratulations again. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Let me know what videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.